Tattva Chintan Pharmachem Limited IPO. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us for this video on Tattva Chintan Pharmachem's IPO. We will take a look at some of the key points and provide our recommendation. Let's take a look at the IPO details. The IPO size is Rs 500 crores at the higher end of the price band of Rs 1083 per share. The IPO consists of fresh issue of Rs 225 crores and offer for sale of shares amounting to Rs 275 crores. The issue opens on 16th July 2021 and closes on 20th of July 2021. The price band is Rs 1073 to Rs 1083 per share and the bid lot is 13 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be Rs 2,400 crores at the upper end of the price band and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 29th of July 2021. Objects of the issue. Of the proceeds from the fresh issue of Rs 225 crores, Rs 147 crores is proposed to be utilized for capital expenditure requirements for expansion of its Dahej manufacturing facility. Rs 24 crores are proposed to be utilized towards upgradation at the R&D facility in Vadodara. The balance would towards general corporate purposes. So what does the company do? Incorporated on June 12, 1996, Tattva Chintan Pharmachem Limited is a leading manufacturer of structure directing agents SDAs and phase transfer catalyst PTCs. These have various applications in green chemistry, which is pertinent considering the growing focus on green and sustainable technologies. The company also manufactures electrolyte salts for supercapacitor batteries and pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates and the other specialty chemicals PASC. As of March 31, 2021, they offered 47 products under their SDA product portfolio, 48 products under the PTC product portfolio, 6 products under the electrolyte salts for supercapacitor batteries portfolio, and 53 products under the PASC portfolio. Positive points. The company is the largest and the only commercial manufacturer of SDAs for zeolites in India and the second largest globally. It is also the largest producer of PTCs in India and the leading producer of an entire range of PTCs. Tattva Chintan supplies its products to customers in India and export their products to over 25 countries. The varied applications for their product portfolio have helped them build a wide customer base across many sectors. The company over the years has diversified, expanded and evolved their operations into manufacturing of pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediates and other specialty chemicals which have diverse applications across various industries. Company's R&D efforts enable them to explore, among others, green and continuous flow chemistry processes which may give them a competitive edge in future. Financials. The company's revenue from operations has increased CAGR of 20.7% over FY19 to 21. The EBITDA has grown at a CAGR of 39.4% and the PAT has grown at CAGR of 59.5% over the same period. Tattva Chintan's margins have improved from 16.4% in FY19 to 21.9% in FY21. Strong ROCE of 33% and ROE of 31.5% for the FY21. Risk. The business is subject to quality requirements and strict technical specifications and audits by its institutional clients. Failure to meet any of the standards set by the clients or meeting the deadlines may result in loss of business or customer. Raw material cost is 50% to 57% of the revenue from operations. The company does not have long-term agreements with most of its raw material suppliers and the price of company's product is fixed at the time of purchase order. Volatility in raw material prices as well as inability to procure the raw material can have a negative impact on the business. The company has displayed good performance and is the only company in India for categories that are major revenue contributors. Moreover, given the strong demand outlook from user industries, the company is adding capacities to capitalize on the opportunity. Valuations at 46x FY21 PE are in line with that of the other chemical companies and hence we recommend subscribe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.